How to reset MetaMask password step by step. So to reset your MetaMask password, do not proceed unless you physically have your correct 12-word secret recovery phrase written down. MetaMask does not store your password on any server, meaning customer support cannot recover it for you if you do not have your recovery phrase. Resetting the app will cause permanent loss of access to your funds. Now, if you are currently logged in or using biometrics, open the MetaMask mobile app, then log into your account. Now, tap settings in the top right corner. Now, tap the menu in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and then tap log out to reach the locked sign-in screen. Now tap yes to confirm it. Now on the unlock screen, tap the forgot password option. Then read the warning prompt carefully. Then select the option to reset wallet at the bottom. Then type your 12 secret recovery phrase into the designated boxes in the exact correct order using lowercase letters and single spaces between words. And then enter your new password and re-enter it to confirm. Then tap restore or import to complete the reset and access your wallet. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.